restaurant. We have tons of people, and I don't really care, honestly, if you're rich or poor. All I care about is you like to dine, right? And people that actually are well-traveled and are living around in this area are people that know food. And that's all we care about as a chef. So I was asked to create a cocktail in honor of this fantastic happening, and we're calling this the Echelon, all right? We're gonna have one for everyone. I'm gonna make the first one for Alex because, well, he's paying me, okay? And I'm Chinese, so we're gonna take care of my kind first, all right? Listen, very simple. This is gonna be an Echelon gin and tonic, right? Some fantastic gin, right? Couple nice strong shot like that. Oh, wow, you got here quickly. All right. Then we made our own tonic syrup. So we actually take the bark and with lemongrass and lime leaf actually make this. So we add tonic syrup. In China, it's very auspicious when the shit breaks. Seriously. All right, so that's tonic syrup. So now we have gin and the tonic syrup on the bottom. We're gonna add a bunch of ice. All right. This is hilarious. We're gonna add some soda water. All right. So now with soda water, we've got tonic syrups. Gives you the second level, right? So we have the syrup level on the bottom with the gin and the tonic syrup. The second level is soda water. The third level, which is why you want to go higher, this is a lime foam, right? So this is the third level. It's like a cloud of lime. This is the Echelon, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to make 150 of them. Alex, you, congratulations.